Are you looking for a real, legit work from home job? How does getting paid $100 for a simple 30-second video sound? Or what about $200 for a 60-second video? You can earn hundreds of dollars a day by only working a couple of hours. We specialize in helping connect honest individuals like you who are looking for simple, legit work and online jobs that they can do from the comfort of home on their own time with businesses who want to hire them. Since the overwhelming popularity and the rise of social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, more businesses are desperately looking for individuals like you to create simple videos for them to use as content, and they're willing to pay top dollar because the demand is so high. The best part is you don't need any experience, no social media following, or expensive camera equipment. All you need is your cell phone. You might be asking yourself, what type of videos do you have to create, and if you have to show your face on camera? The answer is that businesses will send you a script that you simply read off of, usually showcasing their product or service, and you simply record it on video, and many times you don't even have to show your face at all if you don't want to, as you can simply record the footage around your home. There are thousands of businesses all around the world looking for full-time, part-time, or side hustlers that are paying upwards of over $200 for a simple 60-second video from people like yourself that can create these in the comfort of their own home. If you've always wanted to work from home doing something legit, fun, and the highest paying, there has never been a better time to get started than right now, earning up to $1,000 per day just by working a few hours a day. To qualify, all you need to do is take our short survey below, which takes less than 2 minutes. Based on your answers, we'll find you the perfect video work from home job. You can start getting paid immediately, so don't wait any longer and get connected to the perfect work from home job and get the freedom that you deserve.